Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about how to schedule an exam for the Microsoft certification. First we have to open the browser and just type any of your certification, like what you want to do the certification. Okay, just I wanted to show you for PL200. Okay, PL200 certification. So you have to search for the docs.microsoft.com. Okay, you have just click on that. Yeah, other page will be opened for you, so directly you will able to see the scheduled exam. If you want to see the price as per INR, you can just see here. You can select India. So you will able to see this price in INR. Okay, and click on schedule exam. It will be redirected to the other page. So now here we are able to see the certification profile and exam discounts. Okay, if you have any discounts, you can just click on this and you can give the discounts. And now you have to click on schedule exam. You will be able to see one more. Yeah, so how do you want to take this exam? So it is asking for at a local test center, online, from my home or office. I have a private access code. As of now I'm just selecting online from my home or office. Okay, and after that just click on next. You have to check this all. So after that just click on next. Here you can just schedule as per your timings. So I'll show you. So actually I have already created for this exam, so that is the reason I'm not able to see here. So what I'll tell you, so you can just able to check all the timings and all. Okay, all the timings and all, and click on next, so that it will be submitting your order. After submitting the order, like it will ask for your card details, the payment, the payment gateway and all. Okay, this is how that we can create a appointment for our Microsoft certification exam. Thank you so much for watching. All the best for everyone. Thank you.